I need a metal.
Hello. It's been
So how do y'all think I should do this? You think I
so
should just
long.
put some duct tape in the from the ceiling and just
Yeah, you should definitely hang your expensive microphone from duct tape above your head,
So what about rope?
where it will eventually land.
Shoelace.
Rope will work. But how are you going to attach it to the ceiling?
Crazy glue.
Like the ceiling is eventually going to break.
See this
Yeah.
right here? I've got a I'll put a couple hooks in there.
That beam thing you go there.
It's a terrible idea. I need to learn how to weld.
We need engineers.
We need engineers.
Why don't
Actually, that was one of-
stand and put it on your table, dude? Like,
Why don't you just build like a 3D mount that you can, like you could 3D print a mount and then just drill that into the thing, and then you can just like slide it. You know, you just slide it in there, like you just slide it on in there.
Do I sound a little different? Do I?
you can get
You
like
sound
a
a bit-
close and then you just
it's on figure 8.
bears and bikes and
Do I
you hang your headphones on it.
do I. All right, that's weird. Omnidirectional.
I should probably get my mic out. Huh?
Omni. Figure 8. Figure 8. All right, I'll stop.
Hey, hi, export. Okay, cool, sweet. So now I need my mandala. Woo.
All right, so
Mandala.
Mandala.
Gonna make a game. Oh, but no one's gonna be able to play it except for me. That sucks. Why? Unless.
Need to use Unreal.
I tried using Unreal, but I couldn't even build the example blueprint. It just fails.
Oh?
Yeah. I posted the error. Let me see if I can find the error.
It's a terrible ping.
I posted it a while back when you came back the first time.
I'm still talking in DJ Fire.
Let me just page up.
What's up, Jaguar? Jare Gui?
Juregi 98.
You want to come join us over there? I'm not sure if you're already there. Who knows? I feel like we took away from our productivity by going to voice chat.
Oh, now we're video chatting.
God, this kid's over here programming, man. Alex's boy is programming. What's up, Alex?
Oh, word? Man like Abe, my guy.
Stephanie, she was screen sharing me. That's so sweet.
I'm not echoing, am I?
No,
No,
you're Crystal.
Perfect.
It's just Stinny that's echoing.
Ibrahim.
Hey, what's good?
Is that Alex?
Yeah, that's Alex. That's his new chain, and his new Mission Impossible face.
Anati, you ready for the 80s dance?
Dang,
That was awesome.
bro.
Let me see.
Got no. So
Ah.
there's no tarnishes on your neck yet, right? No turquoise.
Alex Angud. Why do you look so young?
Like $85,000 worth of gold.
Tell me where the fountain of youth is. I need it.
Come over here.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, now we
Yeah,
can.
bro.
Oh, hold on.
Just long enough to find the mute button. So, this is the NSFW channel, ma'am. I'm gonna need you
What is-
to vogue elsewhere.
Why does the video keep switching to Alex, but like he's even talking?
He's just, marketing his children. It's all good.
Maybe it's picking up the audio from his FaceTime as well. I mean, Google is listening after all.
He does have a lot going on with his systems. Anyway, okay, so
He does have.
all right, so how can we be productive?
How can we be productive? By being productive.
Okay, so what I want to do, right, is
Come
I
on.
want to run IPFS somewhere, and that location must preferably also run the decentralized web so that we can do some testing, because I would very much like to be able to open IPFS links. I'm thinking maybe I should even install Reminder, even if it uses a lot of resources.
Fuck out of the box. Come on, man. Get out of here.
What?
Tonight I present Blobs and Bangs.
The mysterious and and majestic co in his natural habitat. Timenia! Hey, I still have IPF.
That's not gonna work. Oh, that don't sound good. Danger, danger.
Hey, what's up, Alex?
Most people don't say that they're racist. I mean, I don't think. Do they? Are there people that are like, yeah, I'm a fucking racist?
Like, except for like neo-Nazis, they kind of like outspoken about their racism, right? Or like, actually, no, like actually, most racists are quite outspoken about their racism. Most racists I know, like, it's kind of hard to be around them because like they talk about it so much.
You said we're gonna erase racism?
Yeah, that one.
Abraham, I love you. Hannah, I love you. Call me back. Mom, why don't you flip a coin 50 times, and if it turns up heads or tails every time, then I get to go to the dance. I'm saying I'd like to go for the record.
No. A lot of shit that I want.
Average shit. Oh shit,
I've
she hung up.
started,
She said I have an average dick. What a bitch.
What the?
Isn't
She
that a
said
good thing?
I fucking ugh.
Like,
Anybody
would you
hear
want
me?
your dick to be average?
Hello?
Like, isn't it like average? Isn't average the place where you want your dick to be? Like, you don't want it to be
Anyone hear
like
me?
abnormal. I can hear you, dude.
Nothing?
I have a feeling that you cannot hear us.
Guess what we saw this morning?
What?
When we were pulling into school, we saw a fire hydrant pop and then water started blasting out of it.
Is that cool?
Yeah. It was like blasting out all over the street.
You went from the 80s to just back to today.
Aha.
Mm.
You hear me now?
I'll say something.
What's that?
Am I audible? Am I back?
No, my way.
Dad, this is my little container, my hairstyles. I have this little container.
All right.
And I slip it in this.
Stephanie's Donderstorm. I wonder if that's a real name.
Hairy mullet.
Yeah, so I was trying to turn on a printer and it had like a bracelet and like an audio adapter inside this the spool area. Whoopsies.
I didn't get that. Sorry. I'm still stabilizing.
So
Check.
I'm on,
There's even two of me in the room.
I'm on Freedom First on the see if it submits. No, it's not even trying to pull.
Yeah,
there it
yeah,
goes.
yeah. Did you get your key loaded?
About that.
Oh, there we go.
All right, so key. Do you love me?
My sound is back, right?
Yeah. Welcome back, Jack.
Did you guys hear anything?
Yeah,
When
I can hear you, dude.
did you hear me when I was on with the kids at all, or no?
For like a second.
All the way through?
guess.
I think it switches the audio.
Did you say you sent me the keys or where? What?
The school district.
Do you want the public? Let me give you the keys. It's in our chat history. I gave you the public one to search in the chat.
Oh yeah, that's in the main chat room, right?
But that's going to be quite a bit back. Let me see if I can find it for you.
What is it? EOS. Oh, okay. Here we go. Searching skills.
Here you go. Oh, okay. Here it is.
Where are we chatting at?
It's here in the chat, in this chat.
Oh, here, come on.
Because
Public
my
key.
Discord is still loading.
Yeah, just close Discord.
Yo, is the difference between the speed of
closed by itself.
is the difference between the speed of light and the speed of sound significant enough that if Google Hangouts wanted to switch to the speaker, they could look at your lips and switch first?
Yes.
All right. Good stuff. Dude, I was doing this shit with Ned before, and I fucking failed to get the sound. It sucked. It was funny.
It sucks so funny.
He put like I was talking to people, and he's like, "Oh, I got a hangout," and we were the only one.
Yeah, I don't have that key.
It's in. You
Well,
don't
no,
have that.
Well, I don't have the private key.
Wait. It's in our chat history. You just got to search for that public key in the chat history. Let me find it for you. There it is.
I got it. Get back to work. Yeah, that was too easy for you. I actually probably have that in my clipboard, which is so handily in my browser, like it's kind of creepy with that. It's so conveniently the clipboard. English is. I'm running out of juice, people. I'm running out of juice.
Oh yeah. So, Ko, when am I paying you a visit?
What's up?
When am I gonna pay you a visit?
Visit. I don't know what you're talking about. You're gonna pay me a visit?
Yo, Shaman, you coming to the States or what? What's up?
What are you even laughing about?
I'll pay for the flight there. Your clipboard will pay for the flight back.
Okay, yeah, that shit, right? Got about 5 steam. 5 steam in my clipboard. All right.
Wait, do I have audio or no?
So my active account is that my active key or what key was that?
That was both. It's your public key followed by your active key.
Okay. Yeah. Well, because the active key I have is EOS 7HN. Should I remove that? Obviously.
Yeah, that's not the one that's configured right now. The one
Okay,
that's
I'll turn-
on your account right now is different.
I'm just gonna delete all these. We're gonna start fresh.
Hear the words that are coming out of my mouth.
Make it fresh stuff.
Nah, nigga, we don't hear nothing from your mouth.
It's not really fresh because it's an old password.
But didn't I create a new one?
Yeah, you did. But I mean, like, yeah, we restarted the blockchain. Remember?
Okay, so you have the new keys. Gotcha.
Yeah. What? No, we have your old keys.
Damn it, Bobby. Okay.
I have your old keys. You can change your password, and then you'll have new keys.
That makes sense, I guess. Okay, so you crazy cookie. He just
I'm
died.
gonna play guitar because it's easier.
All right, so US. Okay, go save. Your mama.
Don't you think that it was less fun when they launched EOS?
It was a lot less fun. So active account. It says oh, okay, yeah. I couldn't unstake because we just relaunched. Gotcha.
Yeah, I guess we can. The only way we can like produce a transfer is the only way we can produce a transfer of any tokens, like live tokens, is to actually get the like to get all the block producers to vote on it.
Yeah, comparison of assets with different symbols is not allowed. That's probably why. Let me go back to the server.
Oh, you gotta like, yeah, you gotta like change your token to FA. So you gotta like the server management, and then you go delete. You press delete twice, and you'll see your settings come back onto the screen, like, and then you can just change SYS to FA, and then you press save.
Do I have to confirm? Do I have to confirm twice?
No, you press delete twice.
I
Like,
just
you know,
pressed
when
it.
you click on.
Okay,
you got to delete the network. But if you delete it again, then the settings come back.
Yeah, that's weird. I like it. So decimals 4.
Yeah.
Should take a
Yeah,
screenshot.
the only changes S-Wave changes to FF.
Cool. Yeah, because sys could be confusing with CPU and RAM and
CPU RAM. So now we have CPU RAM and FF.
go FFA. It's still Steam host, right? Yeah. Do I have to hit save twice?
We can tell people to RTFFM.
You just went really low. How low? How low?
How low? How low did
I forgot
how
y'all
low,
could
how
see.
low did I go?
All right. Right, so we've got that linked. If I can unstake it.
Yeah, I unstake like 20,000.
I'm gonna unstake all of it.
I'm not fucking around this time.
Not
You can
fucking around.
unstake all of it. And then you gotta beg people to vote for you.
I'm not gonna beg. I'm gonna sell my votes.
You're like vote for Co as witness.
Be mad at that.
You're gonna unstake it and give it to a whole bunch of people who are gonna vote for you as witness.
I'm gonna allow people freedom fucks.
You should give it to all sorts of people, right? And then you should convince them to vote for you as witness. They're all gonna vote for you as witness because you gave them their tokens.
Run.
So it's the same as keeping it.
All right, so we're gonna need a block explorer. So what I was thinking with the block producer is we set up a smart contract, and then we do airdrops. Or no, let's cut out the airdrop process. Essentially, you trade your FF tokens for the ability to get hosting or IPFS hosting. So it's all internal. But we still have to make the FF of value. We can't just have a non-fungible token that does or maybe like the first 20 people, the first 21 block producers.
The moment you give people a service for it, it has
Oh, you're breaking up.
to get hosting.
You're breaking up.
Like like you're giving it value when you do that. It becomes fungible when you do that. Like,
when you give somebody a token for your service?
Because one token equals one hosting.
Yeah. But to me, that one token is not tradable.
No, they have to get it. They have to get the token from you, and that they have to pay you for it. So
that's a fungible product. Okay.
Unless so, like, if you want to give, if you're hosting separately, maybe you should create a token.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
On FF.
Yeah, I was talking about creating a token with a smart contract. It'll take a while, 3 days to unstake, but
no, you can create a token now.
Oh, really? Please show me how to do it with all of these, all of these preferences. Let's see if this works. First
but
test.
If you create a token, please give me a bunch.
Didn't I already give you a bunch of hosting tokens?
Do you want to know how to create a token?
Yeah, no, I know how, but we shall go over it in a moment.
Like in the bling, in the bling folder.
There we go. There we go. We got our first test.
Oh, it worked.
Yeah, it worked. Finally.
Oh, sweet, dude. Finally, Co can use his own blockchain. Finally. It's like you're the last person to get access to your own blockchain.
Well, I've been busy. You know, there's been all these pop-up ads on these porn sites have been just
So Co,
yeah.
in the bling folder,
Okay.
you can do like this. Let me show you.
The hot part. Idiot. Is it the blue that makes my face look granulated, or is it just the zoom?
Would
This
like
this face right here should be on the hosting webpage. It's like, you want to buy some VPSs? No,
like that's how you install the token
No
contract
one.
on your account.
We'll buy a VPS.
You want to
If
buy
did
some
that.
VPSs that got them located in the backwoods. They're under there with your private keys and maybe some of your privates. All right. So what are we doing? Yeah, Clio set contract, and then I have to have a contract. But does that mean I actually have to go into terminal?
No, the contract is a Bling that Git, like it's under the build directory. Like all the base contract, all the system contracts are in there.
And can I do this in Scatter?
You do this from Kleos, dude. Go to your host. Go to our chat history.
Okay, hold on. There's a really shiny. No, I have Kleos. Just one second. There's another patch release for Scatter that I must download. 13 hours ago, patch release. Danger displays for dangerous actions like update auth, change whitelist, bug fixes. Okay. Anyway, I'm back with you.
So can I do this?
Yes, you can.
Cleos set
For the
contact
low price of your soul.
contract.
So
Evo.
you use your own account
Build.
name, like yeah.
Yeah.
And then you can.
build
That's
token. What do you
how
do after that?
I'll show you now. Just give me one moment.
Oh,
Like there's one more command, and then you get like, then you make it. Then you make. I just
can I make
sticking
one
passwords.
token? It's like the rarest token.
Yeah, no, Angel's trying to find it. Angel, are you here?
Yeah, you can make it divisible by 1 million.
One token divisible by 1 million. Crazy.
Or you can make 1 million tokens divisible by nothing.
I'm gonna go have a conversation with Angel real quick.
Okay. Need to make sure that these. I need to double check that I ended the setup. So let me just make sure. It's a locked wallet. Blah.
Yeah, it'll tell me to unlock mine. Probably.
Oh, Cleos! Cleos! Google's probably like watching my screen anyway.
Staring at the command line at the moment.
The audience you have is something you can sell.
Shit.
There'd be some randomness.
Cool. Right, let's open up Blender. Ooh, that's a good shout. Man.
Please.
Mexico and France on Steam Studio. I'm gonna need y'all to go up Steam Studio. Man, what? Huh? What? What? You saying something? You saying something, Alex? Huh? What? What? I feel like you're listening to Pal too. So I was just talking to, or I was trying to talk to him, and he's like, "No, I'm okay. Just 1 second. I'm listening to Pal." I was like, "Okay, I can do it." Because I mean, there are some pretty important things going on over there if you're in the whole Steam thing.
Oh yeah, the CEO dude, right?
Well, the CEO chick.
Oh,
Dude, LL Farms. I think I want to marry her. Like she sounds like Battle Axe,
oh, cool.
but more refined.
Oh, nice.
I'll have to taste that.
Oh, so's that cookie, I say.
So my first seedling is in the window right now, getting some sun.
Oh, nice. Vitamin D.
Yeah, vitamin THC. Damn it. This is not
DHC.
got that DHC.
You got that DHC, son?
Got that DMT, THC.
And that CBDMYK.
Nobody's doing DMTHC. Nobody's doing that.
I'm pretty sure people are doing DMT and THC at the same time. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
DMT and THC.
Yeah. Changa.
DMTHC.
Changa joints. Yeah.
That's a good one. I can't even say that. Do it.
DMT-THC?
DMTNTHC. Wait, DMTHC.
Yeah, DMTHC.
DMTNTHC. It's
TNT.
DMT, TNT, and THC.
TNT.
Well, what happened was...
Say it fast and advance with me.
DMT, TNTHC?
Yeah, you got it. He's on the next level. The tongue twisters, yo. Some people can't spit that fast.
Bro, he's from London, bro. He spits so fast. You understand?
No, I said he's up. He passed automatic.
That's his natural. That's his natural accent, which sounds so unnatural. Like it's like it sounds like people are forcing it. They're like, "Yo, bro." And
I think the
best ability is to actually speak intelligent. Or sorry, that sounds rude.
No,
I'm not actually speak. No, is it okay?
Read and rap fast.
With so many people saying no at the same time, my brain just shuts off.
Read and rap fast.
Yeah, for sure. I read really slow. It's just like with the internet. If I just stay dumb, then everything it feels new. It's always a new adventure.
Hey man, every day's a lesson.
Anyway, so Alex, we were talking earlier about a smart contract that would benefit you.
Okay.
Or that would benefit you for your college. We were talking because you got up in Steaming Line. Is that you breaking up weed? Oh, you're putting it in your death chamber. Your Alzheimer's device. Yeah, there you go. Now you burnt your dick. All right.
that one hit.
That one hitter dick splitter.
Oh, I'm lightweight as fuck. I'm super high now. Let's go on. DMT and THC.
Okay, hold on. So what you're doing right now could be profitable.
Sure.
Right? So with all these sound bites, just digesting your soul. I just love Stephanus's picture. He's like,
Speaking of Steph, I found a very
You should check the entire thing. There's like 5 chicks behind me.
No, I'm good on that. So with your soundbite idea to profit off of it, we could make a smart contract on the blockchain.
Just cut my man like that, bro. Jeez. Oh my god.
Soundbites is a good idea, even though Inertia said it first, but he didn't name in the context of an idea.
We're gonna bite. We're gonna eat what you have to say. We're gonna digest it. We're gonna digest
everybody.
Consume.
You can like a meal, right? You just keep, but you don't. You're not going to force feed somebody when they want a bite. You give them a bite.
That's why you have your own smart contract on our network that people can purchase your tokens and then trade your tokens in for your audio or whatever they want to use in their projects, or maybe they could use your token to incentivize you to say certain things like, "Hey, here's 5 bite tokens, sound bite tokens," and can you say, "I like to fuck beer stick and bum bum," and you're like, "Yeah, I already do that." So here's some of your money back. So how do you feel about that? Would you like to? Would you like
what
to
the
see the
fuck?
contract?
Freikeister bum cum. What the
I'm gonna
fuck
share
is
my
that?
screen. I'm gonna share my screen.
Yeah, but listen, we all have bites. I am a specialist in one area of sound bite creation, but I can't. I mean, I wouldn't be nearly as valuable by myself. And I just think like those sound bites have to cost you something. Like we'll keep them, you know. Like the chain you guys are building can hold or like hash all of those sound bites like exactly as they stand. I'm gonna get even higher. I think I'm in a no man's land. Hold on.
Okay. Well, this conversation is slowly going to go into wordplay.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Sound bites are wordplay. I have 420 interesting sound bites that by the time someone was done, they'd be addicted. If they were creative, they'd be addictive. They'd be addicted to it. And many times along the way, they would have stopped and said some rhyme that popped into their own mind. So they would add to it.
So when I
add it
spoke
on the
to you
blockchain.
So when I spoke to you last about collaborating and working on a project together, or investing in a project that I'm working on, you said you would only invest in a project that you're working on. And so I totally respect that. And so would you like to invest in a project that could help you out with your project?
I would buy sound bites if they're good because I'd use them in music.
Oh yeah, samples on that.
Yeah.
But you could also request, like ALX to say stuff like, "Let the bass drop. Let the bass drop."
Yeah, you can sell that shit.
Yeah.
Well, it's people who write the things and people who say them. Cole's got a better range of voices than me, and he's going to probably die after me. So I could write all sorts of sound bites. Cole could scroll through them by turning a globe on his desk to micro scroll and then just spit one of the sayings that I wrote, and we might split the profit from it. I mean, it is a game. It's a fucking game. You are throwing in sound bites. You're trying to win the World Joker Tour. You're trying to say awesome shit. Trying to make people laugh.
So I just
record
received
your own monologues, man.
I mean, pretty much, but you want
record is
small pieces though. Each time you let go of the button.
I could put your voice in a song.
What the hell is he saying?
Okay, so Moonshine.
Put that in a song.
Quick question, bud. I have a quick question.
Working no play makes Jack a dull boy.
So I was wondering, does Glitch support WebGL real quick? So if I build something in Unity real quick, yeah, WebGL, can I just slap it on Glitch real quick? Just go like slap it on Glitch. Get me?
Like it'll support it a lot better once we've got this bridge going.
Quite
That's
probably,
what
it's just
I'd recommend you
HTML
don't
file,
use
dude.
in RAM storage for that. It's not necessary to. Like we should be using the IPFS bridge to do that.
Okay.
Hey.
But I just want you to play this game I'm making real quick.
Jay.
And that's the easiest
Oh,
way.
you mean glitch?
Yeah, glitch, bro. Glitch.
It'll probably run it. It'll just be a little bit slower. It should be fine.
That's cool.
Jay.
That's cool. Yeah, what's good, bro?
You just got
Sorry.
it's an iframe, innit?
Oh, okay.
It's the same as how we put it into Captivate.
Oh, okay, cool. Sweet. My guys. Right, so I need to open this.
What the fuck is that shit?
What are we looking at?
Iframes. Just the stuff that's coming up in the channel.
Oh. These channel.
ALX's channel is just some
These what? These whats?
Did they get you?
Oh, I love them. These. I like.
These nuts.
I like honey roasted nuts.
Propose.
Nuz. These nuz. These nuz. Oh yes. Aesthetic.
As fuck, this is hard to do. I'm using 2 keyboards that are spread far apart too. It's hard, but it's fun though. Like if you guys were having some kind of online debate, you know, like it would and you had 3 screens in front of you, and your friends just kept throwing up like freestyle ideas and freestyle rhymes, like you'd be much more likely to crush the other team. Sometimes I'll just sit and write shit, and once in a while, the guy who actually is on the stage with the mic like takes that like and fits in just right. I don't know. I'm just fucking talking. They're just words. Words. Just words is great though. People make fun of me by saying just words. It's great. It's a good name. It's in your
shoulder.
What's that?
There's an orange on your shoulder.
I don't even. I heard that once before. Sometimes I miss things. Like if you're a sniper and someone silently sneaks up behind you, you're gonna die. Like you're gonna get a knife in the back of your neck.
Pardon?
So if you got a sniper rifle, like someone sneaks up behind you, you're done. It's all about matchups. You know, I'm looking way far away. It'd be very easy for people to sneak up behind me and fucking beat me to death with a frozen orange.
Frozen orange.
Cool. Well, I was thinking a regular orange.
You sound a little worried there. Have you pissed anyone off recently?
Right.
I think I have, but this isn't about me.
I wonder if the orange would have the integrity to. Yeah, it probably would if it was properly frozen.
I mean, you can shoot a regular orange. It's just a matter of like what velocity does it take before that orange like explodes your skull or it implodes half of it. And
I'm just wondering how frozen the orange would have to be.
How frozen?
Do that?
Like,
yeah.
I mean, all the way through to 32. Oh, 0. You guys are the rest of the world is Celsius.
We be Celsius.
It is.
No doubt. Bye.
This is why I say macro anaconda. This is why I say the unholy grail. We are as ridiculous. I tell you, it's everything that was in the grail. It's time to do it again.
Grail was a drink.
Nothing bigger in history, maybe except Jesus, than the baby of Britain. You know, the United States of Central North America.
I like to drink from the fairy cup.
1, 2,
the Holy Grail.
5, 6, 7.
Pun Holy Grail.
The Pun Holy Grail.
I don't know. I don't know. It would work
Holy
better.
Grail.
I mean, the truth is, if you get together the guys if you unite the guys that are still alive from Monty Python, you get some of the funniest people we know, and you sit them down, you film it correctly. You literally don't need to make any movie at all. You will, through conversations, make people laugh as much as they laugh during that movie, and that's all we really care about, right? That you average as many natural laughs as you had when you watched The Holy Grail. It's not about the Holy Grail. It's about laughter. It's about natural laughter.
Like music.
It's about flow.
Flonership.
Flow.
No shit.
Master flow.
Flaunt your shit. Flaunt your shit today.
Not
on
floating
our
down the road with the wooden leg.
Nah. Fuck that
Not
chick.
that
She owes me a fucking $5 a minute. Hey, I'm worried. Help! How do I help? I'm worried. Hi, I'm worried. What's your name? Just have a quick pace around my room. Go into the bathroom. See if the spider is still there. No, it's gone. Okay. That's okay. It's okay. Everything is okay.
Was it a big spider?
It was, you know.
Everything is awful.
It was a big spider.
Everything's autistic. Everything is awful. Everything is awful.
No,
Everything
it's
is
not.
God. Everything is God. Awful.
No.
Just God awful. God awful is a great name. I'm gonna add that to the list now. Like God awful. Because we don't use that right. It's like have a nice life. That's a real card. Have a nice life is a real card. Like it's these are like combinations of words from our history. Have a nice life. That's a great one. If you say that to somebody, you automatically like change things.
Word.
Because I mean, it's not like you're necessarily going to see them again if you haven't exchanged information. Be a little bit extra provocative. Words don't hurt.
Nah.
So let's see who's
What?
produced. Actually, send me some money so that we can create accounts.
Cool.
Yes.
Do we need a single soundbite? Do we want something like an explanation at the beginning of Freedom First? Like a really passionate...
The explanation is it's we are one, you know?
I mean, a little bit longer, you know, like a nice rhyme that takes some time to refine, you know, which explains what the fuck is up, like.
But
gotta be divine.
We are one. Edit equals true. Wait, no. Yes, edit equals true. We are one. Question mark. Edit equals true. I want a T-shirt that says that.
Says what?
Edit equals true.
Equals true.
Yeah, edit equals true.
Question mark. Edit equals true.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That's the keys to the gate.
Great idea.
Keys to that's merch. There you go. Put it on a mug. I'll drink coffee out of it.
Yes. Yes.
Cool. I know a couple crypto clothing lines you can speak to. I also need to speak to Brock Pierce, you know, EOS fanboy, and say, "Yo, what's good? I know a guy that just he forked EOS, bro, and it's free. You want in? Give me a couple billion. Buy some shit, and then we'll get listed on Bancor. Like Q2, Q3. Yeah.
We need a fleet of Lambos for posterity.
Yeah. I want an amphibious Lambo. You know, I'm not gonna hold all the stops here. It's got to be amphibious.
Yeah. It has to be amphibious. In fact, it has to also be able to like float.
Yeah. Are we talking magnets or jet thrusters? What are we talking right now?
Like on water is fine.
Oh, okay. Oh, I thought you meant in the air. I was like, oh, hello there.
We could start with the one that floats on water, but we'll work our way up to the air one.
Baby steps. I'm with you.
So here's how you make a proposal.
Oh, okay.
I'm making a proposal for us all to vote on. All the block producers.
All the BPs. Wait, so am I registered?
To send me 250 FF. No, let's make it less. 50 FF.
You're requesting FF from us.
No, from EOS.io. From EOS. From the EOS account.
Oh, the pool.
Oh, shit. Locked wallet.
You need to get on Windows, ALX, bro. It's time to leave Mac in the bin.
No, I like the mistakes. You never saw a movie like this, right? You've never actually people don't read movies of words, right?
Well, not anymore. Back when they were silent films, yes.
I mean,
maybe the Asians do. I don't know. Subtitles.
That'd be crazy if back in the days when you had silent movies, if that's when they used to make movies like this, just like words. But they can't do that in a theater. People need to adjust the speed. It doesn't work otherwise. It's like putting a bunch of kids into a classroom, even though their intelligence is like very, very wobbly.
Yeah.
and saying, hey, listen to this at speed 76, even though you're happiest at like 126.
Exactly.
I played back Bernie Sanders' last speech at double speed, and it was very cool. Like, his response to Trump, if you play it at 200% speed, it's like, what if we had a politician like that? Like, what if we had a politician that didn't hold back? I mean, Trump kind of doesn't.
Yeah.
Check the Discord chat.
Let me open up Discord 1 sec. I like it. I don't know about the slash though, because we're giving away too much then, aren't we? Do you know what I'm saying?
Away? What do you mean giving
Yeah, we don't want, like, we want people to know that if they add this to the end of any page on the free web, they can edit that shit if they got the coins in it. Like I said, it's the keys to the gate. You get
but it's nice tied to your wallet though, so it's your wallet address that gives you away the shit.
It would be nice if tokens were key. I kind of like being in a dungeon and having keys and
no one else
open
can
fucking
edit
doors.
I think this might be a way of giving permission for other people to edit.
Oh, okay.
I don't think I can go to a page that you've created and then make changes and edit it once you've claimed ownership.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Unless I paid.
So, do you view my proposal? I don't know who's in the producer. So this is like Phil, you, Evo, Boy, and the Cold Corners accounts.
Sorry, say again.
Oh wow! My audio wasn't.
Like... Do some merch design.
This is what it looks like. I'm just pasting it in there. Freedom first.
No, it wouldn't be. Oh, I don't have to press push to talk, do I?
So that's how you review the proposal. Just busy checking how you approve it. That's a proposal to send me 50 loose tokens.
So if I
create a...
I'm having a problem unstaking some tokens at the minute. Excuse me, but
it takes a while.
No, I was getting an error from scatter. I'll try and do it again real quick. I will try.
Yeah, just let me know what the error is. Sometimes you have to.
Just try and get 1,000 out on each. Okay, confirm. It pops up with a thingy. Says yeah. It says error. I can't even copy the error. I'll just print screen. One sec.
So did I just send you 50 tokens?
Just hold on. I'm just trying to see which one is active 111.
What the hell am I showing? Is my screen still on?
Okay. Creation fund. So that's how it would work.
Oh, there we go.
See.
I know it's super. You can hear me, right? Even though I'm super off track.
Oh yeah. You're good, man.
I want this dude to be my little like personal assistant. I want to like drive around and like he can turn and point a camera at me and keep me fucking in frame and have a little microphone in his head. Like he does nothing. Like compared to like this, right? Like I want like I put these two together. Like this guy needs eyes. Like I want to like look at a character when I'm talking and creating an animated face.
This is how
you probably can't unstake it because you don't have the active key.
I know why.
Tech Shaman, you've got to change the symbol from SYS to FF.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Go to networks, click on the X to delete twice. You'll see that settings will like delete and then they'll come back when you click on delete again. And then you just scroll down and you change SYS to FF.
So click on delete twice.
So you delete the network and you'll see the network changes and then you delete again and the network will change back.
So when I click on delete, I get this pop-up that says delete this network, click confirm, and then it deletes it. Now it's deleted.
And then delete again.
But then that deletes the EOS mainnet.
Yeah, do that, delete the mainnet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then it comes back.
Oh, interesting.
It's a very useful bug.
Huh. But how? Okay, so how do I add? No, it's actually deleted the EOS mainnet. What?
No, it didn't.
How? No, it did. I've only got ETH and Tron mainnet in my
Oh,
networks
have
now.
you only got Ethan Tron? Oh shit.
No, that happened to me as well. Just go
FF
out
come
and
back.
click delete again.
Oops.
Dude, just go out and hit delete again. That happened to me as well.
Or go out. And,
Just don't click save. Just go back and then hit delete again, and then it'll come back.
it's gone for good, man. Whoopsie. Oh, no networks. Oh, I can just add. Oh, okay, cool, sweet, cool, sweet. I can just add it back. There we go. Woo.
Man.
Does that work? Moonshine. Man.
Yo, have any of you ever read a book that was like really good, which consisted of essentially text messaging or text, like a textbook? Have you ever read a really good textbook?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
What is it?
I'm a nerd though, so
maybe I should
cool.
back that. You could point us to it, and then I mean I'm part nerd certainly. I may not be full on.
Oh, do you mean have I written one? Like I written one? Or have I read a really good one? Because I've read it depends on what you mean by a textbook. Do you mean like a piece of nonfiction?
Ooh, again,
or
doesn't matter if they're being real. Like it's totally like whatever, just words that are back and forth between characters for like thousands of back and forths that make you laugh and tell you a story. It just looks like it's. What's up?
Can I get some approvals on this request for money, please?
Sorry, my bad.
Who can sign it? Co, you can sign it.
You mean like a conversation?
Ran that command.
Sorry, I'll let you guys finish and do that thing.
No, it's fine. I've already asked, so it's cool. You guys can go on now. Take Shaman, you
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
1 second.
Like when we talk about sound bites, we talk about people saying things or typing things, and they get put into a chat bubble. Anybody can click on that chat bubble and attach to that chat bubble. And lots of those conversations are meaningless, but some of them more people follow and more people contribute to, and they grow many, many more branches. And sometimes they find answers.
Oh, kind of like what's it called? That app. The kids are using it.
Hold on 1 second. I think someone's throwing snowballs at my window. 1 second.
Oh.
Okay.
I know what you guys are talking about a little now.
Really? Oh fuck! Hold on.
All right, Lamor. So my active and owner are still on the same address. So should I generate?
Yeah, I don't know. A friend of mine is probably walking up. If you want me to just either mute me or let me know if you need me to mute me. I don't know what's going to be going on in 5 minutes or not. But he likes to participate if it works out. Kind of like that googly-eyed dino thing. That's like probably the best one in the room. That fucking who is that?
It's me. It's Baywin. It's from Monster Hunter.
Nice.
No, who's a dinosaur?
It's our Rathalos from Monster Hunter.
Cleos!
But it's me. It's Baywin, Senny.
Oh, shit.
You gotta change your ACC for your account name,
ACC for my... Oh.
Darn you, Cleos, lock in my wallet.
Try
and do something like, Cleos!
I'm back.
How much would be 2/3 of us? I'm sure we don't need Phil and Big Boy. It's it's override democracy. And then
Did my camera go out? The camera went out. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Loud and-
Oh, if I turn the camera button on, that'll work. Hey.
You don't need the camera button on.
Okay, fine. I'll turn it off. So what is that? Is that Cindy? Is that Cindy or who's?
Yeah, I'm Baywin. I should just change my Discord because usually when I join a server, I don't change it right away. But
Right.
it's Baywin. Yeah.
Baywin Cindy.
Good. I'm Senny. I'm pretty. Yeah, my name's
So
Senny.
So are you at home now?
Yeah, I am. I'm chilling
Cool,
out,
bro.
smoking.
Oh man, it's 4:20 right now somewhere. Actually, right here. Actually, right here. And so I just talked to Pretty Nice Video. I don't know if y'all know Francesca.
I love her. She's great.
Yeah. So I've been talking with her for a while. She wants to have my children. No, I'm just kidding. No, but she's a huge supporter, and she just I was literally talking to her just a second ago about what our blockchain could offer her, and I don't have to sell her. You know, she's a good friend of mine. But of course, I still want to let her know what we can offer. So what I would like to do, Landmower, is dedicate one of the. I'm going through too many windows. I'd like to set her up as a block producer, and I would like her to represent our project on once we educated her a little better. But she's like, I think I'm done with DTube. I think I'm done. She's going through a lot of stress right now.
A lot of people are mean, man. There's shit going on. There's a lot of drama going on.
Yeah, and then her roommate is like, just like if someone's to sit here all day and work on a project like we're doing, most of us are doing, and we're not making a real world income, it's like, what the fuck are you providing to this house? Instead of
mundane shit, making the magical, innit?
So our goal today is $50, and we will make it.
$50, huh?
$50. Well, not necessarily USD. Well, $50 USD in crypto.
Okay, gotcha.
I need to register a new account for co-host, or should we do a? What do y'all want? His co-host network's good for y'all? Do y'all like that?
Co-host networks. Sure.
Co-host networks.
Yeah, actually, I like it. No, that sounds cool. I like it.
Okay,
that's cool.
It's cute. Well, luckily, ALX. I'm not sure about your excitedness there.
Enthusiasm.
No, it sounds like you might not to be confused with the the money bank credit provider Coho, though. You have to clarify that.
Okay, so how do I register a name with Steam Connect? I need to register co-host. Or should I just? We will make it.
What's that? You're at ATC at active.
Is this somebody remixing my voice?
Oh shit. Let's just stop sharing.
What up, baby?
What's that? Is that a call? What do y'all want his co-host network's good for y'all? Do y'all like that? Super troll.
Yep, co-host networks. Sure.
Co-host networks.
I'll kick you out of my house if those are the clothes you're gonna wear.
You're beating.
All right. Who's doing the replay? Is that you, Alex?
Oh, what's good, Occult, my G?
Confused with the the money bank credit provider Coho, though. You have to clarify that.
Corner.
Morty. So full house up in here.
Hey, Stephanus, do you want 2019 Photoshop?
I have it. Yeah,
oh, you have it? I have the whole master collection if you want it.
All right. Well, this is deteriorating.
Or pirate copy, because I can get my own pirate copy.
Okay.
But if she's got a legitimate key for me.
Oh, there's no keygen needed. You just install it. It's pre-cracked or it's post-cracked.
Ow.
You're repeating.
Oh no. He left.
But check, I do actually have it.
What's good, occult, my G?
I have that one.
Where am I getting feedback from?
I think that was me repeating. I had the YouTube channel open.
No worries, dude.
Oh.
Oh, cool.
I saw you guys were live streaming off of the YouTube, and then I looked for the Hangouts channel.
I still cannot unstake, man. I don't know what's going on, but it's not saying. Okay, so on the networks.
It says transaction timed out. You just have to try again.
No, it was the same. It was the same error I got.
What do I
Then your
replace
token-
your
your
ACC
token-
for?
It means your token is not FF.
Oh, hold
You
on.
have
Here
to
we go.
Change your token to FF.
It says sys, and then in brackets FF. So I just remove that token, or
Yeah, you shouldn't have sys.
okay, cool. I'll remove it.
Okay, let's see.
Aye, help me.
So I should have solved. Wait. How do we see clear? So I voted with
Where's Cone?
myself.
Cone.
Evo, if you and Tech Shaman can vote,
How?
then
I've
we
asked the
can
question.
unlock like 50 FF to create accounts with.
How do I do that? I just asked what I replace the end of the command with, or how I replace it.
You replace your ACC with your account name.
My account name. Okay, cool.
Yeah. There's two occurrences of it.
What the fuck? Okay, I'm gonna have to just
Yep. I see.
restart my. I'm gonna have to restart my bloody
Thank you.
scatter, mate, because it's not happening. It's not happening, mate.
Yes.
Networks, yeah, tokens.
You got to
Yeah,
make sure you save it when you're done, and you got to make sure you delete the one that has sys in it.
Yeah, I deleted the one that had sys in it, and I have the FF. I'll delete the FF one I made. I'll make a new one. So the contract is steam.host, right? On the FF
No, the
network.
contract is eosio.token.
Oh, that's where I just made a boo boo. Okay, cool. Yeah, token. Cool.
So
the token name is FF, symbol is FF, and decimals 4 places. Sweet. Excellent. Cool. Token added. Lovely.
protection.
Oh, you fucking locked EOS wallet bastard.
Cleos!
Fucking Cleos.
Florid dumb. Imagine if there was a Floridian who was florid and dumb.
Yeah,
He's dumb as fuck, but he's a great poet.
Look at that.
It's saying I have 0 FF.
We do have other people here.
Let me just scare my
We do have other people here. Am I hearable?
Yeah, bro.
If it's saying you have 0 FF, then you probably didn't type in eosio.token.
Anybody hear me?
Okay, let's try that again. Yeah, I can hear you, bro.
No?
Like you can't leave it like it's
Dude, I gotta
typed in gray,
0.
but you can't leave that in. You got to type it in.
Okay, I'll re-add the token on the FF. Okay, whitelist token. There we go. Just added it. And then the networks, just double check. That's all right, yeah? FF, Steam.host, port number, blockchain. Cool. Lovely. So that should be all groovy. It's showing FF here. Yeah, it's saying I have 100 bajillion some FF EOS. That's
That
staked.
sounds right.
And then FF is 0 and sys is 0.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Sweet. So I'm gonna try and unstake some of the red EOS and make it gray.
And can you look at that Kleos command I sent?
Yeah, or the new one.
That
Or
it's to unlock 50 FF. I'll send you some from that, like so that we can make accounts during
Okay.
these 3 days.
yeah.
Call
Sure.
It's
Cleo
only 50
for your
only 50
free
FF.
reading.
Kleos is a
Okay, so I'll
cunt.
just take out 100 of each.
You guys never seen that advertisement? Call Cleo for your free reading.
Right.
Like a tarot card reader.
How come it's saying unstake 100 EOS? I don't get it.
Okay, I'm done.
Nah,
Okay,
still
you've done
in
that.
the pot.
You've done that.
Yep. I didn't have any unstaked tokens though, so I don't know if that matters. But I've executed the command.
I'm still getting this
That's
error,
cool.
man. What the
Can
fuck?
you take shaman?
Yeah.
But you said SIS and EOS was still listed under your account, so I'm
Yeah.
pretty sure you've got bad networks in there.
Okay, so I'm just gonna remove this and then restart from fresh.
But look at that Kleos command before you go on.
Yeah, I'll just get to my other computer. One sec. Okay.
If you want to review what it does, you type this.
Okay, I'll type that first. I got an error when I first tried to run it on the
Basically
command.
says send moonshine 50 FF.
Yeah. Oh, that's sick. Some creation fund. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. So Kleos multisig approve. Moonshine creation fund. Actor.
So is this
user
the first
account.
distribution model?
It's nice that it goes down in history as voted for.
So your account at active. So what would you put? What would be an example? So Moonshine at active.
You
Or?
would change that to a tech shaman at active, and also actor is a tech shaman. Like
Aha.
in both cases have to change.
Okay.
I'll be back in a bit. I'll see you guys.
Sweet,
Right.
bro.
Cheers.
Ciao, ciao. Okay, tech shaman. Lovely. Okay, that's why I got the error before, because I didn't change those two little strings.
It should actually go through because I think then we'll have 2/3.
Oh, I got an error. Let me type that again. Okay, it says actor in input field was processing struct approve.level. What the hell does that mean?
What?
I'll copy it in the Discord.
Sounds like fun.
There we go. That's the error I just got. Let me.
Did you just delete actor
Try
altogether?
that command. Try that command that I pasted.
Oh, I replayed. Yeah, I made a silly, stupid mistake. It's my bad. Okay, missing. What? Pack. Oh, I copied the. Wait. No, that's right. Warning. Oh yeah, that went through.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's
Sorry,
see.
I'm just reading it wrong. My bad. Yeah, there we go. That went through.
So I wonder what happens if I review it now. Will it tell me it's already been done, or what happens?
I wonder.
It just says what it always says when it works.
Yeah.
Transactions executed locally may not be confirmed by the network. It's like, yeah.
I should probably just check if I have the FF.
Why can't I just send it to you on Scatter?
Because
none of us have any.
Oh, because it's staked.
Yeah.
Yeah. It
Cool.
takes us 3 days to unstake. So I just want to, I want to create some liquid. Like then
Cool.
I'll send each of us 10 or whatever.
Cool.
I still have 0 though. I wonder, I wonder if it doesn't consider this 2/3. I wonder what would. Oh, Co still hasn't voted. Co.
Good old Cole. He got distracted.
Wait,
He went to
wait
the
a sec.
Discord.
I can vote for him because his keys haven't changed yet.
Oh.
He's got the power. How many polygons is that shit, dude?
Oh, quite a few, man. It doesn't matter. I'll show you the wireframe if you want.
I bet it's hideous, isn't it? Oh. What? That's some dense shit.
But that's
Player models these days are what, a million polygons? What is it, 100,000?
yeah, about that. Well, no, 75k.
But it's like progressive refinement, so it doesn't always display all of them. Like,
The thing is, though, he's got a fuckload of. Well,
yeah, this bit here and these bits is pretty dense, but it's all right for what I'm trying to do. I'll probably optimize the model itself after I get it. You know, that's the next thing to do.
Yeah, it's quite a lot of curves in it, so the flats have to have a lot of polys as well.
Yeah.
Ugh.
The thing goes scrap. 50 to 59.
How many elements?
Oh, quite a few. But I'm grouping them now, so when I do my scripting, it's a lot easier. You know what I'm saying?
187, 200 elements plus a bunch of prefabs.
Where?
Well, those
But
other
I've
blocks
got
there. Well, yeah. Are they just
Yeah.
groups?
well these are the different so like these are different bits. But what I'm doing is grouping them. So when
Oh,
I
they're
go
groups.
to when I
Okay,
go
yeah,
to
I see.
rotate them, see what I'm saying? I just have to script those game objects instead of the actual objects they contain.
Oh.
So
Shit, I
I'm
don't
just doing
think
a bit of
that'll work.
organizing. The Candyman can. Don't know why that popped into my head. Help me! Fuck's sake, man.
I made it when I made the proposal.
Yeah.
I made a transfer from the wrong account, so I don't think it'll work.
Oh no.
Yeah, so I think
It's
the
okay.
proposal will fail. I'm just trying to check here.
Oh, okay. It's time to stop being a pussy. I've been a pussy for far too long.
So that has to be ASIO.
But no, I definitely feel either that time I did a lot of ketamine and all those annex. Remember that time everyone was I was just fuck. I don't remember, man. Like you was there. I remember you were there at one point. That one Friday Jack came through, innit? Started licking all the ketamine, bro. Fuck's sake, man. Outrageous. That boy's outrageous, I tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I swear you was there and you came around and I was just fucked, man.
I wasn't
think
there
that
when Jack was there.
No, Jack was already passed out by then.
No, Jack wasn't there that night. It was a Wednesday, man.
Oh
That was a
fuck! See, I
Wednesday night.
don't even know, bro.
Because you got mash up the weekend before with Jack.
That's it. Right. So yeah. So when me and Jack got mash up, yeah, that's when shit started going a bit west in it. Well, things were already west from last year in it, but I mean, yeah. When you came through and I was fucked, that's when shit started going pear shaped. Oh, I got to 4 already. Wait, I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How the fuck? Why can't I count? No, it doesn't matter. Okay.
How many rings have you got? Like
Either 12 or
12.
13. Yeah, I think. Well, I think so. I'm guessing right now. It's either 12 or 13. One of the two. But we'll find out in a second. 22, 29.
So can you guys do that approval thing again? But instead of the word creation fund, it's just C fund,
Camel case or just all lowercase?
all lowercase.
Okie dokie. To the other computer. Let's hope Cleos didn't lock. Okay,
I've just made a new one with the correct permission.
sweet.
So Moonshine Sea Fund, actor, Evo. Da 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 da. Yeah.
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 Oh, I got a virus threat protection as soon as I press that.
Cool.
That's interesting. How did that happen?
Don't know. My Windows Defender popped up and said virus. What the fuck?
Oh, that's a bit odd. I think they're gonna send me home again tomorrow, bro.
Maybe.
Fuck's sake. I blame
I
the
don't know,
doctor.
dude.
The doctor didn't really like. I didn't even see the doctor in person, mate. You get me? I literally, I got back from London, yeah. Came back, got stoned, and then woke up, went to the doctor, realized my appointment was like stupid early. Then I missed my appointment, yeah, because I'm clearly not well. So I came to work, yeah. You went in that day. I came into work. I was like, I'm just waiting for my appointment. I got triage in that, yeah. Going to triage on the phone. I met the doctor. I met the doctor for the first time on the phone, and she's like, "Oh, you're just stressed." And I was like, "I need a doctor's note." And like, "Yeah, I'll just get that printed for you." Do you see what I'm saying? I didn't actually seek any medical. I didn't see any professional help.
Right.
So
So like, yeah, I've done these votes here.
oh, did it go through?
No, well, have you done yours?
Yeah, I did mine. Yeah, I got the transaction has been executed. Let me just check the console. Yeah, man.
Let's see. Done. Moonshine, Cold, and Co.
I'm just happy I got my server, man, because that literally when I got the server 2 days ago, that literally just tapped the rest of my money and put my I'm in real bad trouble money wise, but I get paid next week and then I'll still be in trouble, but fuck it. Should probably
Becoming
buying
straight for your bits.
trust, bruv. It's pain, but mine earn it. You know, fuck the credit card company. I don't give a fuck. I just gotta pay this loan off, innit? Because I don't want to pay back. I don't want to pay this bank 10K in 5 years. That's long, mate. I only borrowed 6K. Do you know what I
How
mean?
much is the premium?
Oh,
10K, is it altogether?
yeah. No, in 5 years, if I haven't finished paying it off, that's like the maximum it can go to with the interest. So, or like 10.1K or something like that.
Bastards, aren't they?
That's cool. I'll have it paid off hopefully by the end of the year or end of next year. Mine.
Don't matter. I fear it won't be worth shit by then anyway.
Exactly, mate. I'll be like, Barclays, do you want Bitcoin? I'll chuck you some. I'll chuck you some satoshis. You cunt. Back to the drawing at hand. Okay, so
It's an antiquated system, man.
Hmm.
And it's buckling under pressure.
Mate, the follow the dollar. Yeah, I definitely have not counted this right.
Yeah, I still don't seem to have it.
What are you
Really?
going to do then? Plonk those into an
maybe
array?
maybe I did it wrong.
That's strange because the thing did go through.
Hmm.
I didn't get an error.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
Yo,
You're going to put those into an array.
an array?
Yeah, the
Why would I
rings.
need to?
I don't know.
Why would I need to do that?
I don't know what you're going to do with them.
Because
They're gonna spin, mate. They're gonna rotate.
Yeah, but how are you going to interact with them?
Oh, this is where it gets interesting. So I'm thinking, just so you guys could play it real quick. But the ring, each ring will go from either red and transition to green. Once it's green, you have a timer, or you have to tap on it. Tapping or clicking, I guess in this case is WebGL, is PC based. Clicking will remove that ring from the scene, and you get a point. The quicker you do it, the threshold, I don't know, maths, the thresholds for your point scoring ability will vary depending on how quick you click it. Quick you click.
Right, cool.
And eventually I want to get that working in AR core, but I don't know about all that just yet because I was looking at the documentation and I was like, whoa.
So is it going to be spinning so it's hard to click or something?
Yes. You have to click on it the way it's set right now. It can't be a little, and maybe you lose points based on the angle of, when you clicked. I don't know, but that's where I'm going with it right now. Kind of like, the whole craze about coloring books and stuff. Like I think it was last year or whenever.
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of
You
taking
could
that.
do that entire thing 2D then.
Yeah, no, but remember, I was going to take this thing AR originally, but I
Oh
don't
yeah,
really,
yeah.
I don't really want to learn AR core at the minute. So keep it 2D, but it's 3D, so it's ready for AR. That's my mindset.
Fair.
Oh yeah, this is like all one thing. I am a smart fellow. Yes. Okay, and then the rest. Cool beans. So there are 13.
Oh, you've got to execute it.
Giving a cigarette.
I think I just did it.
Oh yeah.
Let's see. Let's see.
Nice.
I executed it. But you know what it does? It says like it may have executed locally, but
Yeah.
hey, there we go. We made 50. Okay.
Hey.
We can make it count.
Nice.
So let me send who wants token.
Huh?
Who wants some? Who wants some? I'm in no rush for tokens just yet.
Why are you sending tokens back?
Because that's fair.
Yes,
I don't
we
know.
just we pulled this from the system account.
Oh, so it's voted to come out. Oh, okay, cool. I thought it was to go in a pool for like new users.
No, it was a vote to send it directly to me.
Oh well, can we put it in a pool for new users?
Like, it's just 50 FF.
Yeah, that's cool. Just stick it there.
Do you want me to write a smart contract for it now?
I don't know what's involved. If it's a smart contract, then I don't know. Yeah, cool. Send some back, I guess.
I'm thinking now.
Okay,
Do I make
so
the
it's
user
50 between all of us, not 50 each.
And it's just 50.
50 altogether.
Yes, it was a vote to just generate 50 or
50. Oh, generate.
or
Okay.
send 50 from the system account.
Yeah,
to my
system.
account.
Yeah.
Because there's one user's. There's just a little bit short of one user's worth of tokens in the system system account is like 5,000 and something less.
Okay.
Because that 5,000 went into the initial RAM purchases for the first 21 users. Because we got to purchase like 8 kilobytes of RAM for each user.
Cool.
So there's like that same stake as one user's quantity. There's 22 of them, and we only use 21. So the rest of it is still in the system account. It's like roughly one user's worth. So we just we just pulled 50 of that out. So that's what I would suggest would be like if the pool that you're talking about is that. Like that amount of token is now already set aside for that. It's like one user's share can be the distribution for new accounts. Like we can vote to pull some of it out and put it into a contract.
I see.
So when everyone's happy with what the contract looks like, then we just vote on it. So it's not so hard to do governance. It's not that bad.
Sweet. Ring rotator.
Yes.
Let's open this script up. Let's open this
Pretty
bad
cool.
boy up. Get it. We're gonna just play in Visual Studio real quick and then Oh Lord, it's mercy. It's almost 11. Jeez.
Yeah, I'm going to bed soon.
Today. It'll make me look more crazy tomorrow. It's good. Okay, so avoid start.
Send to
Update. Late update is that one's for physics, right? Late update, yes. Okay, cake update. Kate update. Oh. What I do for some ketamine right now? I'd do a backflip. Definitely.
for some horse. Just anything for some horse tranquilizer.
Just give me that sweet, sweet horse tranky doodles.
Just dart me.
Dart me now. I need to get tranquil. Good times, but can't. I mustn't. Okay. What do I need? I need an array. I need an array. So I need an
That's what I
array.
said earlier. You're going to put them in an array.
Oh, the script side of things.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course, mate. Of course.
So then you can control each one and.
Yeah, that makes sense. I'm about to code, but so I'm going to look for reference. Wow. Yeah, bye. Okay. Learn. Where is the bloody
beetroots?
Shit. Website's gotten hard to navigate.
What, Unity? Yeah, it's
Only
just
reference.
Like, have you
Monobehavior.
looked at the Unreal editor? Like, have you looked at the
what the flow graph stuff?
no, just the editor.
No, not. I haven't gone in depth. Because when
No. I'm not talking about in depth. I'm just talking about the editor. It's like, have you
No.
started the program?
Yeah, I've started the program. Yeah. I've looked at the shell. Yeah, man, definitely. I'm gonna start it up
Have
right
you
now.
seen?
Because you might be able to make sense of something for me. Okay.
Have you seen they've got that example? It's like a top down, What do they call it? A twin stick shooter.
Yeah.
Oh, what? No way.
Yeah, that's kind of close. You would be looking at something like that, or there's a puzzle example with that would be a good example scene to start from.
Okay. well, that's loading up. Okay, so arrays.
I mean, you could always go straight for the first person shooter, but like
New projects. Da, 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 da,
I think
da.
closer resembles what you were trying to put.
Yeah.
The puzzle one or the
Okay. Let's check out the puzzle one for mobile tablets. Scalable.
puzzle one.
The puzzle. Would you start with starter content?
Yeah,
I
it gives you
guess.
some basic textures and chairs and shit usually.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah. Do it.
Sweet. While that's loading, where are the, I can't remember. Why can't I just scripting API?
So I've kept 10 for account creations myself, and I've sent 10 to you, and 10 to Evo, 10 to Super,
Thank you.
and now I don't remember who else I sent 10 to.
A poke runner?
No,
Stephanus? No?
no.
Co.
Yourself?
Maybe Co. I think I might have sent to Co. I'll have, yeah. Now
I
can't
need to get
remember.
used to the camera controls, the middle mouse that moves it moves how it's supposed to move. Every other program I've used, the middle mouse. Oh, no.
Pan.
So what you said it was like a clicky and draggy
Left.
affair, your game.
Yeah.
So the puzzle one is like maybe. Wait, let's see.
There's like a tutorial folder right there, man.
Part 1. Oh, sick. Oh, that's sick. I'm gonna have to do this tomorrow then, at some point. Oh, on the weekend.
No, weekend, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm going. Yeah, I got to do stuff in the real world tomorrow. Unfortunately, to go surround myself around a bunch of drug addicts and listen to their stories.
Shit.
Because I'm.
Have you pressed play? Have you ran it in the?
No, not yet.
In the editor.
Just oh,
press
what?
play. So that's like how you build it. That's what I was talking about, like building it in game, sort of thing. Like.
Ah, I see. You go pause, and you're like, no, that doesn't work. Hold on, let's just try this, and then resume, and then you can stop. That's sick. I guess I'm gonna have to just. I don't like moving around games like the walking around. I don't like doing that. I mean, it works a lot better in.
I love it.
Yeah, it works. It works well in here, but it doesn't work well in Unity, man. It bugs me, but I must adapt. What is this thing here? Oh, that's a text. Okay, cool. W. Okay, that's all the same. The scale. That's rotate. Nice. RT? No. Okay, cool. Sweet. And then what's this thing over here? Oh, that works too. F.
It's
Oh,
a
the
light.
skylight. Oh, nice. Just put you down there. What is this thing? Spherical reflection capture. What the fuck? What does it mean?
It's just reflections for textures.
Oh,
So
that's cool. You can.
Yeah, you can capture the reflections of a specific spot
area,
and
yeah,
then
and then
bake it onto an object so that it's permanently like that.
Oh.
So that so it's
I
like an
think it actually works
optimization.
for kind of like real time in this as well. It gives you some real time reflections.
Well, that's pretty cool. So that's the puzzle block grid. What else we got? Light source, render FX.
And then
Edit puzzle block.
if you look in the tutorial folder, you'll see there's like the code in there.
Okay.
It's like
Part 1.
I don't think it's going to be all that complicated.
Blueprints.
Welcome to the tour of the blueprint puzzle to template based project. Sweet. Next. Oh man. Oh, this is getting me excited. But at the
I love
same time,
Unreal. It's such a nice editor
yeah,
to
man.
use.
It's
It really
legit.
is.
It's legit, man.
Yeah.
Like we were using it. We was using it like we had such a 16
Originally.
setup, and then we're like, we can't build to WebGL.
Yeah, it sucked.
Well, no, we could, but our network, our infrastructure is shit. So it's worse than what you experienced, Lamo. And this is military stuff we're talking about.
Yeah, it's wank. It's absolute bullshit.
It's appalling, you know. It makes me want to spit at the government. Let's just say that. Do you know what I mean? I don't respect the UK government at
Pay for the
all.
lowest bidder.
Fuck them niggas.
Innit?
I got robbed on a military base. How is that possible? I got robbed by Navy personnel, bro.
That's hardcore, dude.
I
It's
know,
probably one of
right?
the fucking Intersurf dickheads or something like that.
Nah, I doubt it, man. That was
They're all
some
retarded
wasteman
as
Navy.
fuck.
That was some. No, that was some little petty officer, bro. I'm telling you. That was just on site for a couple of days. I'm telling you, mate. Pissed me off. But I'm definitely checking this out. I'm gonna dive into the Unreal this weekend. I think. I think that's the
I think
plan.
a lot of the Navy are fucking jobs worths there, mate. I don't think they'd steal it.
Don't know, man.
You know what I mean?
I just don't trust the government anymore.
Like this whole thing that you were saying, like it's just rotating things and you click on it, sort of thing. I think it's really easy to lay out, and you do it in the level editor. You know what I mean? Like you're
Yeah.
not gonna be like
Got a cheat
making
sheet
C++
for Blender.
C++ programs and shit. You know what I
Today.
mean? Like just do it the easy way.
Yeah. True.
Like
Did
you
get a
start
cheat
on
sheet
the
right.
for
weekend,
Blender.
take a deep look at it, and like I'm sure
Yeah.
like you'll find it's not that hard.
No.
I really
No,
want to
I'm
code
sure it isn't hard.
though,
Well,
instead
you
of
have the guru
blueprinting.
right here.
Man, it's not easy to learn.
Here we go. This is what I wanted. Lovely.
Suppose it's only handy if you want to do a for loop and then make each change at different times. Each element in the thing.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. You're using serialized field for it though.
Yeah, boy, you know it.
What does that do for you again? It just gives you something in the editor.
Yeah, it basically makes it some inspector draggable. You know, like thingy.
So you can literally just, you don't even have to give hard code the variable.
Ah,
That's pretty
watch.
cool.
You'll see in a sec. So I'm gonna just make.
Yeah. You help me understand this a bit better.
Cool beans. So here, I'll just make a new game object. Game manager, GM. Cool. Add my script, ring rotator. Now, does she have that rings thing there? So I just go, I don't know.
That's your array, in it, though.
Yeah. So then I just add all the game objects in there. So, oh, it's 13. So 12 is
You
the
can
right
do that
number.
with a normal array, though. You don't need the serialized field for that.
No, you do need to serialize the field. I'll show you. Boom, 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 boom. Why am I playing it? I'm trying to compile real quick. Gosh darn it. I always do that. I'm like, play. So now look at my script. See? It's gone now. So it's not.
Oh.
Now it only works in the script, not in the editor.
Okay, cool. Fair.
And that's why you serialize your fields. It just makes it a thingy here. I don't know. That's the only way I can describe it. Good old Jarvis. He loves it, mate. He loves it. And that and the getting set, man. He's like, first you just gotta get and set, and then you just serialize some fields, and you're good to go. I'm like, cool beans. Okay, 13, 12. Cool. Why is my mouse moving like well slow now? What's go? There we go. That's better. Silly old gaming mouse. How many people are in the stream still, by the way? Oh, there's quite a couple of us. Now I was thinking about the physics.
Why
Oh, I
do
say
you
I say physics, but I mean motion.
movement? You don't
I
need
mean
physics.
motion. Yeah, that's what I meant to say. Motion.
If you
Just
check
do for
Stephanus's
each loop,
if you check
rotate.
Stephanus's view,
Go off both Victoria Diamond, you faggots. It's a pretty cool gift. Yeah. 6, 7. But man, AR. I was just looking at the AR core stuff, Moonshine, and there's this thing called cloud anchors, and what you do, right? So, say for example, we're in a park, and I go up to a slide, and I have my AR app open. I can scan. I can use the built-in point cloud stuff to scan the slide and register that, then save that. Then I can push that information to a cloud. You have the same native app installed on your device, and it just makes your scan time of that same object instant.
Quicker. That's
Yeah,
cool.
it's so cool. It's cool as hell, man. It's called cloud anchoring. I was like, what? I put a link in the
I like the concept. Yeah.
it's in the Hangouts chat. Well, there's a little animation as well. I'll see if I can actually, I'll see if I can pinch that
even if you
animation.
have a lower end device, like
Well,
you
that's the thing with
can-
AR core. Like you need there's a device bracket. You need a certain device to run it.
But even the lower end scanners, then you'll have like if you have a high quality anchor,
Yeah.
then you'll get the high quality version.
I think. Yeah, I guess so. Maybe you get a lower res version based on your device or your screen capabilities. That's pretty cool.
Hang on, it's only cloud data though, isn't it? It's just point data. There's nothing. There's no models associated with it. Well, kind of is. The cloud data is essentially a model, but
I'll just put a little discrete, like the animation in Discord. And in here as well, why not? I saw that and I was like, whoa, that's cool. But then there's also like this bit down here. It's like it says this like cloud anchors can be resolved for 24 hours after they've been hosted. So like after you host like a scan or something, right? That's up there on the cloud for 24 hours. So it's pretty cool.
I wonder
Kinda
why
reminds-
24 hours.
I don't know. I think the whole this is a wild guess, but the whole Snapchat story temporary storage kind of vibe. I don't know. That's maybe that's why it came like they did it that way. It's copied Snapchat's model because of the whole stories and Instagram stories. It's all 24 hours temporary because no one has a bloody attention span anywho. 24 hours is plenty of time, man.
For AR stuff.
Well, I mean, yeah, because you'd only be you wouldn't unless it's like dedicated
Like a
servers.
billboard up.
Oh yeah. Well, that would probably live on a server or something. That
the
data.
reason for that is that if somebody goes and scans a good landmark, then they're hoping somebody else will scan it within that 24 hours to pass on the data. Maybe.
Yeah. Like a kind of like temporary treasure hunt or something.
Yeah. It's not a bad
They should
idea.
pay you for scanning things.
Oh, that'd be cool. That would be cool. Oh snap! Okay, so since
People
we
just
forked
walking
EOS,
around scanning you like zombies.
yeah.
Getting paid.
Why can't I count today? 14? Count the shit, man. 12.
Why are we so hell bent on creating our own world in a computer?
Because we want to be God, my friend. That's why. and that's the easiest way. We can manipulate pseudo metaphysical elements
Yeah.
in the virtual world instead of trying to, defy physics in our reality or construct.
But the math and everything that's in these game engines is based on
Real things, yeah, I know.
real things. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
So,
based on theory,
so
proven
we still
theory.
can't break the construct within a development environment at the moment.
Yeah,
We can't
I
think
mean, it's in
outside
a
the
little,
box enough.
it's in a little window.
That's where
We
technology
couldn't even
immersion
have an
comes
app.
in.
We couldn't even have an app if we didn't put it in a little window.
Yeah.
We can bend known physics in games, but we can't create new ones.
We can.
I think
We
we
can
can.
create new physics.
Huh?
Like, imagine you created a game with new physics. What would it be like?
I don't know, because most things are based on real world physics in games, They're based on real mathematical fucking
Yeah, you're
principal
right. Because
algorithms.
even if you created a new physics, it would kind of just be like real world physics with one crucial difference. Like,
Yeah. Like gravity, I'll turn it down to like 0.1 or something,
You're
or
still affecting gravity.
yeah. Yeah, but
I
you're affecting
understand.
gravity, yeah. You're not affecting like a new thing. We can't think like it's weird. I don't know.
if you
It's
add
got to be
two
other shit.
differences, they compound too much. Like,
Hmm.
have you seen the non-Euclidean engines?
Yes,
What?
fucking awesome.
What?
They're like you like walk through a door and like the doorway is like longer through the one side than it is through the other.
What?
Like through the one side the doorway is really long, and through the other side the doorway is like really short.
That's crazy.
Seen that Euclidean game engine as well, based off a data set. It's pretty cool. It's like a Google
Oh,
search.
point cloud type of a thingy. But
Yeah, but
it's
it's
like
genius what they did.
but they're using it, but the data set that you're seeing in that big world is actually really small. It's like repeated
Yeah.
data.
I know.
And
they only call upon the screen resolution for pixels as well, like to give
like
the pixels the color. So they're only
repetition
getting,
is like repetition isn't detail. If you know, like you could do that with polygons kind of too. Like you could just like you could render like a polygon model and like just like place like the sprite in a different 100 different places on the screen. You know what I mean?
Wow.
Like repetition like doesn't really like do it for me. Like if like
are you
if
saying
you
the
want to
demo
have
they showed was repetitious? Yeah.
Yeah, like every blade of grass is the same blade of grass repeated. Every tree is the same tree. Like even the whole
It was
map is like
tiles. Yeah, it was tiles.
yeah, it's a tile based
Yeah.
map. It's like 3-dimensional tiles. And
they do laser scanning now and use the technology for that.
in the point cloud optimizations for big scans. It's kind of cool for the like you can visualize a city. Have you seen that stuff with WebGL?
Yes, I think I looked at something for
It's
Unity.
you can like pop it up into your browser and like it just loads the points in front of you, and it's amazing. You can stream through a city like, and it's just loading the area you're in.
And it's only calling upon enough data to fill your pixels on your screen as well.
Yeah, and it like it
It's
does
like
the
a
best
search
effort. So even if your connection cannot keep up, it will still get your local area. Like it'll get as many as it can.
I think AI is going to be in it, like machine learning will be the next step in that to fill out all the gaps and stuff.
Propagation.
Yeah, well, they use
like
machine
guessing.
learning now to fill in and like you can upscale pictures and then it will just like redraw the picture how it thinks it should be, and it looks pretty much perfect.
Wow.
Except that the cat is now a dog.
Yeah, no, I've
It's a
seen a
very
few
weird dog.
examples. It's quite good. Like other things like denoising and stuff. It's got like smart denoising of images and stuff. So it's kind of cool. The RTX stuff that they got now. That's machine learning.
Yeah, yeah.
Nvidia owns most of the patents for this stuff.
So they like, you know what it's going to help a lot with for like cameras when they get damaged or dirty, like construct the image without the dirt.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Photoshop on the go.
Mm-hmm. That's insane though, to think that machine learning can do that, and then add that to quantum computing. Fuck. Fuck.
Wow.
It's either going to be really good or really bad.
So I guess it's just like AI is just like tweaking initial parameters to find an end result.
Yeah.
Like that, like, and it finds the optimum parameters and the most abstract reasons.
We'll feed it into the AI, and then Elon Musk will create his plug that goes into your neck, and then we'll download, and then we'll be able to travel to any planet we like.
Why does it have to be a plug?
I don't know. He said
could-
it's like a chip that like interacts with your neural, like your cortex and shit.
Can't it be like just a spoonful of sugar? Like,
huh?
Does it have to be so invasive? Do you have to get a plug? You know?
Yeah, it's got to live.
Like,
It's got to live inside you. It's got.
Why can't it be
It's kind of
nanobots?
like a tag. It'll probably just go under your skin or something like that. But
Like,
it needs to connect somehow
why
to your
don't
nervous
you?
system.
You swallow a teaspoon of nanobots, and then you just grow these connectors, like
Yeah,
you grow these metal plates in your arm or something.
I don't know. It's got to interact with your brain because of bandwidth or something. Like the bandwidth's too slow at the moment.
So we talked about this before Landmower in one of my dreams. Yeah, you and I. I think when I was in Tennessee. Hey guys, what's up? When I was in Tennessee, I believe I might have ingested something like that. And I actually had a dream. I went and talked to Landmower in my dream, and I said, "Landmower, what's causing this?" He's like, "It's in your stomach." I don't know if anybody remembers that dream. Or
I remember. I remember you talking about that, and that element you found. What was it called again?
Trainasium.
That's the one.
Trainasium.
What's Trainasium do?
Trainasium builds. So essentially, there's a VR, AR
It builds strong teeth.
So it builds real world products, but
Builds
it's not
teeth.
the same. Yeah, but it's not the same compound. So it'll build a person, but it won't interact the same with the world like a person would with their biology.
Homunculi.
So guys, guess what? Good
Homunculi
news.
particle.
What's
Good
that?
news,
What's the good news?
That's a
We
cool
almost
name
reached
for a
our
game
goal.
studio.
What, Trainasium?
No, homunculi.
Oh,
Fucking
okay, I thought
whatever.
it was cool for a second.
I forgot what I said.
Hey guys, y'all want to see where I'm at?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Oh, it's so cold.
So what I want to know is why would a monkey laugh?
Look at this house. It's nice.
Oh wow.
It went well with the other word.
You want to see where my joint is? It's right here.
Where'd you stash it?
this one is like this looks like a mushroom. It's like 8 weeks old.
Oh gosh, Lord of mercy. So you guys don't smoke with crutches out there, do you? You Heathens. Heathens.
Where you going, dog?
You don't smoke with crutches.
It's like it's hard to ask for money, and like, or for donations and be like, let me take you a tour around my house real quick. I live on the golf course and I need $20.
I need some funds.
So what I was saying was that we officially have raised, as in mostly all of us, have raised $63 USD today.
Oh wow!
Yeah. So 20 Steam.
How much pot are you gonna buy with that?
I'm gonna send Stephanie some pure crystals. Or who is that too? No, that was Evo. Sorry, Evo.
Yeah.
He's like, fuck you, man. Oh man, I want to go through the other doors, but so our goal is $100.
That's awesome.
And hopefully Steam goes up to like $1, and then we've already reached it. So it was 20 Steam from me, and then it was 50 Steam from Pretty Nice Video, and then it was 100 Steam from what's his name, Cine or.
Oh, he sent you some Steam?
Yeah, he sent 100 out.
What?
And he would like to become a block producer as well.
Oh, sick one, my guy.
Yeah, so that's pretty much him paying for his block producer for like the first 2 months.
Sick.
Yeah, he seems pretty cool.
Yeah, he's a cool guy, man. I like his spirit.
You met him before?
No. That was the first time.
Oh, word.
Yeah, he seems pretty cool, man.
Word.
I approve.
What's up, dog?
I approve of this message.
Oh shit, it's so cold out here. Come on, dog. Ow! Now I got my finger.
No, the finger.
So can we just get our own servers instead of Google Hangouts so that Google can't see everything I do? Just kidding. They can see everything I do.
Google owns you.
They own me, bro.
Google is technically God, but I didn't say that out loud.
Do people live in
chained, man?
Do people live in
do I look
cold
shady, bro?
places like on purpose or by accident?
What the hell are you talking about?
Probably on purpose. I'd say on purpose.
Like, do you live in cold places on purpose or by accident?
I think that's down to our parents.
Hot places on purpose or by accident.
Your old George.
Like, on purpose.
In cold places on accident.
Look, this is me.
Yeah.
I hate if I'm smoking or not.
It's winter, Chief. It's not going to be hot out.
It's not winter for moonshine down there. It's
No.
It's summertime.
It's looking pretty.
I'm just waiting for them to announce that city on the moon and the fact that it's hollow, and then like.
They're not going to announce a city on the moon, mate. They would never do that.
Did y'all know that the moon is actually flat?
No, the city's going to announce itself, mate. They don't need to do shit.
Well, the moon folk are coming. You're saying?
All they have to do is like sign, or is like, all they have to do is reflect something at us. We're here.
Hey, we're here.
Just like blind all of us on Earth.
They'll let us know. They, you know, unless they just got wiped out by that fucking meteorite that hit the moon, but you know, and then no one ever knows.
That one. Whoopsies.
Like glowing lights.
I watched a fucking awesome documentary the other day.
Be honest though, you know when there was that blood moon? Yeah, hold on a sec, my guy. No, remember that picture I took of it? Check this out, bro. Give me 1 second. Processing. Oh, I'm on the wrong browser.
Oh, go eat your food. Go eat your food, dog.
What the hell is this picture? Oh, what? Oh, there we go. Wait. What? Why is it not backed up? What the fuck?
So
That's
I
not right.
offered. So I offered. Yeah, I'm gonna switch over. I need a better system.
Bear with me.
I guess I should do like ALX and have like 5 different devices running.
He's only got 3, man. Like he's got
What?
he's got 2 Macs and his phone in it.
Yeah.
It's not a hard setup to have, but it's all Mac in it. Like that's
Well, I mean, I think the only thing is that I'd have to sign into different accounts to be in here. This is a cool picture, right? Is that cool?
Hold on one sec.
It's artistic. It's abstract.
It's aesthetic.
It's
It's a mic
abstract.
stand.
No, it's this.
It's a light stand.
Oh, a light. You motherfucker. Yeah. Shit, now it's hot again.
Okay, so I can't show you that picture I wanted to show you. That sucks.
All right,
Man,
so
I'll
who's
see if I can-
accepting crypto for weed?
Crypto for weed?
Yeah, bro.
Oh
I'm just
man,
kidding. I'm like, now that I got all this EO, just kidding.
bro, I'd happily take some weed off your hands if you're willing to send it to the UK.
Yeah. How about I just
Send
call
me-
my sources in the UK?
Just oh hello. You know them clubs, huh?
Let me get back on Gmail.
My guy, crack me up, bro. Mate,
My shit isn't.
mate, if I ever fix my depression, we're gonna fuck shit up in the future, man.
Bro,
You'll fix it.
I'll fix your depression, bro. We're gonna take ayahuasca together.
Oh, please,
Yes.
please.
Show him the way.
I know the way, kinda.
You do
I know
not
some
know
of
the
it.
way.
I do not know the way. How do I get you to rotate? Okay.
So does this have
yes.
me? So does this have me logged in on two servers? Can you see me twice or no?
Oh no, it's because I'm screen sharing, and I'm focused on you right
Some
now.
weird shit going down.
No, I'm trying to log in on this bitch. Right here.
Oh, I'm gonna do that as well. Let's double up.
But it's not. It's what is this? It's not even. Is that the picture? It's not logging in because I'm on here.
Ain't that bitch?
Snap, is this the same chat? I can't. Why is Hangout so rudimentary? Okay, on call. Can I add myself?
What I could do is log in with a different Gmail. That's too much work. I got shit to do. Lamar. Yep. Can you hear me? Lamar, Lamar, you there? Yep. So,
what's the price? 2 cents.
What the fuck? Steak at Texas. Oh, Texas Roadhouse. No, don't give me steak. No, I don't need steak. I need. No. Chicken. Give me chicken. I just want fried peanuts. Just bring a whole bunch of the motherfucking the bar peanuts back. Is that popcorn? You literally got popcorn for the show. Oh, this is a great time to turn on my monitor or my second monitor to heat up the room and to put y'all on a different screen.
You're making me cold, bro.
Hey. Should we just let's do this?
Any reason why, like, well,
Bro, I'm so happy someone's bringing me food because I'm in work mode right now. Oh, nice, man. Good job on your Screen.
Do
Now there's 2 black people in the room.
you accept Ethereum?
Oh shit. Do I accept Ethereum?
Yeah,
Yeah, of course I do.
I'll send you some Ethereum.
Or you could just send it through block trades to. Now I'm being an asshole.
Do you have a block trades account?
No.
That old chestnut, mate.
or actually, what I should just give you block trades, Ethereum
What the fuck's block
addresses.
trades?
What's that?
What's block trades?
Run away.
You don't know what block trades is?
Run away, bro.
Hold on. Where's my mouse? There it is.
Just run.
Check that
Oh,
out.
you like this?
Guys,
What are you saying? What are you saying?
Guys, y'all like it?
Jermaine.
Run. Yeah.
Wait, hold on.
What do you mean
Here,
run?
Here, check this out.
Oh. Human hand. Oh,
Y'all,
is it
well,
tasty?
if it was a better picture, like if someone was in South Africa. Ooh,
Ah, nice.
What the fuck, dude?
So here's my setup. Here's my setup from.
Wow.
It's kind of cool.
Oh, that's that big ass screen you was talking about once upon a time.
Yeah.
Ah, I'm with you
Yeah,
now.
I finally have a purpose for it. Now I can do work over here and.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Lit as fuck.
But now I can't see myself.
Oh, you're good, bro. You're good. Wait, can you see yourself on the phone?
Now it's finally like I can look up.
This is the hand of a paranoid schizophrenic.
Oh, cool.
Yep.
Now I need a better angle.
Hand of a catatonic schizophrenic.
Oh.
Now I need to change shirts.
Hands with landlord.
This is the hand of a neurotic young man.
Oh.
That one. Of a female idiot.
Oh, you saw my picture?
A female idiot. Nice.
Female idiot. This is the hand of a male idiot.
Whose hands are they?
This is the hand of a gorilla.
Cool.
Oh, it looks like Wilson from
This is
Castaway.
the hand of your uncle. Oh, that's weird.
Rotate.
Abnormally long fingers of a nun.
Oh,
Here.
yeah, quite long.
What about this? Is that better?
This is a brown capuchin monkey.
Yo, I was gonna put the whiteboard up, so
But yeah,
we
block
could,
trades.
so we could figure out our shit. You know what I'm saying? We get this shit going. But instead, I'm gonna print something. Is the printer working? Confirm. Excuse me.
Okay.
So, did I miss anything at work today?
No.
Excellent.
I basically sat on
I didn't know that female
Discord,
idiot
fucked
was
about
a
with a few laptops, waited for that guy to turn up. Turned out he was involved in a security incident that Lee reported.
Oh.
So, so that's probably why he didn't show up.
Oh, wow.
I phoned him up, messed about with the fucking Babcock laptops for a bit.
Fair play,
that
man.
takes from it. It would have been a good day to show
I've
up.
got got a meeting first thing tomorrow. Fuck's sake.
What are you talking
Yeah.
about?
Would have been a good day to show up for work.
I had to set up one of the laptops for it. The fucking Moodle
Yeah.
shit. Got to be a
I swear.
driver.
Do you want me to bring Adobe for you tomorrow, brother?
It's on the drive, isn't it already?
Team Drive, no, only Fruity Loops is.
Oh, is it? Oh,
Yeah,
how big is it?
Ooh.
What am
I
doing?
don't
Is it
know.
like insanely big?
Let me check. I don't think it. I don't feel like it is. You know. Do I even have it on here? Still, just double check.
I'll bring my hard drive in.
Well, no, I might just bring my Linux laptop in it because I might be fucking with the server at some point.
Motherfucker literally has popcorn.
So I don't know where it is.
Stream to YouTube. I think it's almost time to stream to YouTube and let them know how to work our EOS blockchain.
The Bling chain.
Bling blang.
Bling blang.
Send your Steam here.
Give us crypto, we give you freedom.
How much Ethereum were you thinking? Like 25 Ethereum or what?
25 Ethereum, my man. Right.
Right. Well, I
Did
know
you guys send me
$60
some
worth, $50 worth.
It's like, what was that, like 0.4, 0.3?
Motherfucker sounds tired.
Who, me? Who?
No. Your
Evo.
boy. Evo.
My guy. Yeah, it's like 11:30 there, mate.
Oh, man. Yeah, I'm
Off to
tired
bed.
too. But I'm on fire. So how much? So I can calculate it.
Do the conversion. You got a wallet address.
Blockchain 3 times over.
So 1 Ether.
You can't blockchain because they're all used.
Should I transfer? I mean, should I transfer it to Steam just to show that we're building Steam in the account?
Oh, don't care about that, man. Do what you need
Well,
to
no, I
do.
wasn't asking you. I meant. Sorry, I wasn't trying to be an ass, but I mean.
No, I'm not either. I was like, yeah, it's cool, man. I trust you. I trust you.
I respect that. Landmower, what do you think? Do you think I should just keep it in Ethereum or trade it to Steam?
Nah, don't waste the fees in it. That's wasting money on fees, bro.
I mean, the fees are very minimal, right?
Unless you're gonna chuck it on
Steam.
What?
What's the purpose of building the Steam? Like buying Steam with it?
Well, just trading it to Steam so that we can have it in the co-host Steam account.
Cool.
You're right. We don't need. Okay, fine. I'll transfer it to EOS and then I'll buy more F tokens.
Huh?
Let me see if I have MetaMask, or I guess I
I
could
was
just
just
have.
wondering what the point was. That's all.
So I could locate it in my Steam wallet instead of another wallet that I haven't really set up.
Plus, then it could be used on Steam it freely.
Well, yeah. I mean, yeah, to encourage others to work.
We need to, at some point, I'm thinking maybe March, April time, we should look into creating a public service announcement in the form of a short animated sequence, probably done in After Effects.
So
ICO.
Get me. ICO chatter. Hey, you want something for free?
We're doing an IPO. So 0.4 Ethereum is $46.
iFrio.
We should make an account for Sticken
and
call it Freedom First.
Freedom first, enjoyment second.
Hey, does anybody know about
Freedom
blockchain?
First with a Y?
Does it matter? Does it matter if you make a you send you so on block trades, right, Lamore? So if I type in 0.4 Ethereum and it says this how much Steam, and then it says what address to send it to, and then memo, then I get a deposit address. Does it matter if I send more Steam or no? I mean more Ether? I don't think it matters, right? It still converts it to that account, right?
Like if you send more, yeah, that's a good question.
So each deposit will incur a fixed fee to pay the Steam transaction cost. Current fee 0.001638 Ethereum, which is how much?
I mean, if you send more and they don't send you all your money, you can't really complain.
So the fee on this is like 2 cents, literally.
Not bad.
It's not bad at all. But there's a lot.
It's an outrage. This is an outrage.
Is it good for y'all to
2019,
talking? Is this new? This is new for me.
Dude,
2019 that we still have to pay fees.
I've got
It's
PayPal.
an out.
PayPal works too.
I've got PayPal, man.
I like that better because then I don't have to convert
Isn't
it
PayPal
into.
free?
There you go.
Yes, relatively. They get you with conversion fees, but they're non-existent.
So then, okay, so the PayPal will allow us to fund the servers, and then the rest will be used for like support, like people who help people onboard, whoever. Like, I guess we start a referral system.
Ooh, referrals. Oh, geez.
No, but so essentially we have a support channel, and people that are active in it, we reward them with tokens. You know.
Yeah.
What if we get people to throw orgies and then tell people about Freedom First?
Yeah,
that's a good idea too.
Outside the box.
I approve of both.
Sure you can take care of that. My house, I've got a lot of room.
I like orgies. I like to film them.
Yeah, for sure. I've always thought like how your eyes. Like,
Hiding behind the bush or something.
Is this the future? Like in your eye, or what do they call this technique?
Is that how you do it these days? Glory hole. What's going on there?
That's like just to work in the camera. You know, I like to use. I use two
Work
hands
in
on my
the
camera.
Glory hole.
Work in that lens.
Glory hole of a camera. Did PayPal just ask me if I'm a U.S. federal employee?
Really? So do you work for the IRS? Are you trying to launder money?
PayPal wants to help. Are you feeling broke because you worked for a government that was doomed to fail?
Are you working for a closed-ass government?
Are you afraid that Trump won't ever open up the borders anymore and keep you in with no job? The U.S. federal government moved to Mexico. Canada's better though. Sorry, that was a little snot. Ooh, Matt's Mia.
Man, this popcorn is delicious.
Oh, you're having popcorn. I love popcorn.
It's
That's
like
what you
bun
do.
popcorn. So halfway through, I started getting the munchies.
Oh man, now I'm hungry and there's nothing. Oh jeez. Oh man, that's not good. That's not good. All I've eaten today is half a loaf of bread. Uh-oh.
I've had a banana and a pot of coffee. Like bad coffee too. Not even good coffee.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, like
quick browse the webpage.
And then this shit, peppermint, just to freshen it up a little bit. Oh wait, some mocha. All right, what's the password?
Coffee mate.
Coffee mate, yeah, hey man. It's sugar free.
6.
So how'd you die? Fucking sugar free got me.
Sugar free.
Sugar free, bro.
Sugar free coffee. What is it? Does it have sweetener in it or something?
I don't know what you're talking about, but Frenchie, those words don't sound right. Just say crepe.
I mean, what is a sugar free coffee? What is it?
What's
Is
inside?
it just a bitter coffee?
Bitter coffee.
Okay, so no. It's why is coffee better sugar free? Because it's just coffee.
But sugar, guy.
Does it have milk in it?
Oh, no. So this is terrible for you. Sugar. Ingredients: water, corn syrup, vegetable oil, soybean.
That's sugar.
No, this is
corn syrup and sugar.
You're listing off the Coca-Cola recipe, aren't you?
No, this one.
How is corn syrup sugar free?
It's sugar.
Oh.
How can you call corn syrup sugar free?
I don't know, man. It's gonna be all right though.
It's like saying sodium free salt.
This is free of salt, iodized salt, which is pretty bad for you.
I wonder why the iodized the salt.
To kill you.
Who needs our salt tampered with? I wonder, do we need it iodized? Is it that we don't get enough iodine?
No, we get plenty. We just don't make me Google that. I'm working.
That we don't.
That's
Glad you're just as laggy here as you are over there. I can't hear all your bullshit. All that popcorn in your mouth. You got your you turn off. You turn on your popcorn cancellation. Cancellation.
Houston, we have rotation.
Yes.
Lovely.
Printer.
Beautiful. Excrement.
What's
Excellent.
your
Okay.
PayPal email?
Yeah, I'm working on that part. It's
Well,
a
I'm gonna
crypto.
go to bed soon, so you're missing the windows closing.
It's crypto co.
You guys are long.
There you go. Do you want me to paste it in the chat, or did you catch it?
Yeah, paste it. I've got to remember how to use PayPal because it's been like donkey's years since I logged into it.
I would send you a request, but then that'll cost money.
It costs money to request. You guys need Revolut, bro. You need Revolut in the States. Stats.
You need a lot
Is
of
it not in the States?
Nah, mate.
That sucks.
I need a douchebag Goku.
A douchebag Goku. What?
Africa.
Go douchey!
You could
I
just get a VPN, fucking, or some shit though, surely, and then
What, to
spoof
get
your
Revolut?
location.
Nah, you need to set. Well, the thing is, you need to be in a legitimate country to set up an account in the first place. Remember, they do background checks, innit? The US ain't legit, bro. Behave.
Fuck's sake, where's that email at, man? I can't
High
see.
crate, triremes, qualiflows, egram pigs, said Portland, I quit. This details as well. I quit. No, not this from Providence, Morty. Damn it.
Right. I know I said I was gonna stay up all night, but I'm kind of tired now.
You've been doing good work. Now send me all your money. Just kidding.
I didn't sleep well last night because my ex-girlfriend decided to haunt me again. So I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm happy with this.
Is this the girlfriend that has the kids, or is this the?
No, this is the ex-girlfriend. She's got one kid. The new girl I'm talking to has two kids.
And just wants to hang out all day.
Yeah.
Why do British girls have so much? All the girls have kids.
Because everyone be fucking in the UK. Like with jackrabbits.
Like girls are like, if you're not pushing a pram, you're like out of fashion.
Yeah, it's like no. Well, think about it, man. Welfare and that, innit? Welfare, bro.
Yeah, it's a welfare thing. Yeah.
Yeah. Trust. Oh, lots of people just say fuck condoms. I don't know.
I guess as long as there's kids, eh?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I guess if you fuck condoms, then you don't get a baby.
Yeah. I say fuck condoms.
Yeah, baby.
Fuck condoms.
So.
Yeah. I'm a risk taker.
What's up, Cindy? Is Cindy here? Or
no.
I thought if you fuck condoms, you're not a risk taker.
No, you're not. No, but I say fuck you to condoms. That's what I'm saying.
You're acting a little nutty.
You're confusing me.
I'm sorry. Hey, Alex, you're quite low.
What do you mean?
What happened?
Oh, I thought you said something, but you didn't. I'm sorry.
Oh wait, what's happening?
There's not enough douchebag Goku on the internet.
Flat.
Okay, let's have a look. Oh, I need to make it obvious that it's.
Which chat did you paste that email?
I was just about to ask you. I pasted it into the Google Hangouts, but it's just crypto, KOH.
Cole, you have a mustache. What is that? Is that a mustache?
It's a mustache.
Like literally, you literally have a mustache. Interesting.
Yeah, bro, I got something.
Okay, so my headset's about to die. I will see y'all in the future.
It was great talking to you. I'm glad you're in uplifting spirits. Keep it up. I'll kill you.
I'll try.
Don't be like a Colt, where Colt tried to fight me one night. He's like, "Man, if you're my friend, just beat my ass. Just beat my ass." I said, "I will beat your ass. You don't that's one." So I'm going to California to whoop his ass. Not for anything else.
I want to film that fight.
Oh! You could be dancing around us, like
Yeah. I'd be like, yo, guys, we're live and this is happening.
Okay.
All right. This is really
Say
weird.
blessed.
Stay blessed.
Say blessed.
Later, brother. Eat some cashews. There you go.
Who?
Cashews are natural antidepressants.
Oh, that's a sweet ass hat.
For this guy?
It's either that or the other side of that card, right?
Sweet ass.
I don't know. You say sweet ass hat.
Oh, nice.
How much?
I like nice.
I found the ultimate douchebag Goku.
What the fuck is that? That's a good sentence, isn't it? I found the ultimate douchebag Goku. I'm a little jealous.
It's Trump.
It's you. Right. I gotta get
Trump is the ultimate douchebag Goku.
I want my smokerphone. I want a microphone on all three of these motherfuckers. Bad.
What?
Nothing wrong with putting a mic in these, right, Co?
What's that?
Nothing wrong with putting a mic in all three of these, right?
It just depends which you want to blow up first.
I mean, if you carry this shit around all day, you might just want to speak into it, right? You carry the vapor on, you might want to speak into it. I'm not gonna.
You're trying to drink, and then it's just like that's dope. I like it.
It's got drink canceling, bro. It's got swallow canceling.
Got drink canceling. It just knows when you want to smoke. It knows when you want to drink and switches on automatically. But yeah, what kind of mic is that?
I don't know. It's like a $40 fucking Best Buy thing. Insignia. It's
Okay.
better than the Max native sound because this thing always has got its fan running. So
Yeah, no, it's way better. And
I gotta go to bed.
it's my fault. I'm sorry.
No,
I made
I'm
my
tired
fortune.
as hell.
I made my fortune selling CDs for insomniacs. I put people to sleep.
Alex, 1 second. Sorry, what'd you say? What did you say, Evo?
I said I've got to go to bed, dude.
All right, man. It was good to see you.
What's the email address, man?
Here, I'll send it to your Discord.
I've got CryptoCo at what? At what?
CryptoCo at
Gmail.
Gmail. I'll send you 5 more copies of my email.
.com, yeah?
Yeah, .com.
Cool.
Lucy's daughter said about her.
And that'll get you 2 months of free VPS. That's where I talk to the mic with my fingers.
I don't want anything free. Just use it to market this shit or whatever, you know.
Right on, man. To keep it going. Well, I mean, nothing's free, but you know. Hey.
What's going on, dude?
Paid VPS. That donation will give you 3 months of paid VPS.
Just let me know when you don't want to pay for your VPS, and then we'll set something up or something like that. Let me know when you're broke, and I'll send you money back.
It's cool, dude. Okay, it's done.
So chill right now. I bet that bed sounded comfortable, huh?
Mm.
Thank you, sir. Much appreciated.
You're welcome.
And when I give credits, would you like me to use your Steemit username? Of course.
I don't have Steam it yet, man. I've still got to get an account set up, dude.
Oh, I forgot you came from
Yeah.
from the ball sack of.
I'll tell you what, buy me in, and it's cool. Yeah.
Yeah, you want a Steemit account?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'll make it right now and send you the keys. In your like on Discord.
Okay, cool.
And you just want it to be your nick evolution, or what do you want?
I don't know, man. And you got to like pay to get into Steam it or something. No.
Yeah, I mean,
Like,
it's gonna cost me like 3 Steam to make your account.
yeah. Can you just send me an invite so I can actually make the account?
I can send you a web page that costs a little more to make the account. It's like 15 Steam.
Right.
But,
So
yeah,
like
no,
20p.
essentially,
Not
if I
even
make
that.
your account, essentially, if I make your account, then I'm the parent of the account. So, but I was
Right.
told, I think by Landmower that, or by somebody, that both parties have to say, "I want to recover this account." Like you have to actually have a key to. Is that what you're saying, Landmower? Anyway, that's you're tired right now.
Yeah, how does it work? How does it work? It's cool.
I have many accounts, and I don't touch any of the people's accounts that I created for them because that's
Okay.
against.
Yeah, I'll put an account up. I want to put some content up, so that's cool.
See, I think I'm pretty sure evolution is probably taken. Do you have another name?
Probably
If you want
parched. Yeah, I'll write it in the chat, man.
this one's taken. Parched.
Oh, there you go. That.
Ooh, parched isn't taken. I need some water. Where's the chat at? Too many fucking servers. Fools every time I speak. My power increases exponentially. We have too many chats going on.
Yeah, it's in Hangouts.
Okay.
I can put it in Freedom First as well if you want.
Yeah, I was gonna say it still hasn't posted. I don't know if it's really laggy.
Oh shit, I don't even know what the fuck that is.
0.43.
That's not what I wanted.
That's how much ETH you're gonna send?
That's how we evolve.
Parched generic. Okay, so all one word.
Can you only do all one word, or can you do like two separate?
Well, I think you can do a period in between.
Do underscore. Or...
I don't think underscore works, or does it? There's parched. Parched is a name. That's
I
free.
want parched. I want
You don't want
parched generic.
Generic. Let's see. Generic. Oh.
If it's all one word, that's cool. That's fine.
Generic. G-N-E.
It should have an underscore though, really. I might be happy if you can't have an underscore.
Right? Yeah, underscore. All right, I'll register.
Pay money for this, damn it.
Better look the way I want it. I'm pretty sure this is
Where's
how
your
you
tech support? Come on.
Wait, you mean you wanted 4 rooms at your house? I think it looks better with 2 rooms.
Yeah.
Okay. Transfer busy. It's quiet dog. People is at home. Yeah, man, I got you covered. I used to create it with a different system.
I actually want to write an article about compression.
Oh, really? This is how you cancel her airwaves. Just kidding.
Pretty much. It's kind of more volume equalization, really. But
if she just doesn't breathe as much, she doesn't talk as much. Went dark real quick there.
All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy.
What the fuck?
Dull?
Piece of fucking shit.
What's a dull boy? Is that like Pinocchio?
I'm gonna sue them. All right, guys, I'll be back in a minute. I'm gonna finish creating your account first.
What happened?
I just got to notice that while I was in Texas, I was supposed to appear for court.
Oh shit.
And here I am calling my lawyer the whole time while I'm in Texas. There's 2 cases. One of them's dismissed now, and the other one now I've got a warrant. Pieces of shit. They didn't send me an email this time. That was my whole thing. I was like, thanks for sending me an email, guys. All right, here's your password.
Uncle Sam wants you.
Company parts generic, so no underscores.
Just can you put a period or something? I don't know. Is there only like certain characters allowed? That sucks. Like,
So what's parts generic? Is that like your like sneaker brand?
no, that's just my status IM name.
All right, here you go. So this is your master password. I don't know if you know about all the different keys or anything. Let me make sure I'm sending it to the right person. That's your master password. And then once you go into like wallet and then permissions, and then you view your active key,
Awesome.
and then you punch in your master password, but I'll help you with all that.
All right, cool. Sound, mate. Cheers.
All right, brother. Good night.
Yeah.
I'll be back,
Good
guys.
night.
Are you brushing your teeth after you eat popcorn?
Did you brush your teeth after you eat popcorn?